Hello. Long time no see, babe. It's been what, 2 months? Anyways, took a little bit of break, mental health in the toilet, but I'm back and I'm better. Here we are today. This episode, whatever you want to call it, we're going to be comparing this Japanese mascara and then also a lash lift kit to see what's better. I just thought, easy video for the comeback. And then also I'm showing you what I'm unpacking and stuff because I bought quite a lot and I recorded it. I feel like the angle's quite good, innit? Like I had the camera in my chin. It was a bit difficult, but got the job done, babe. I've never been one to buy any type of sheet mask, especially eye mask. I just feel like it's a waste of money. But this was £8 for 60. I thought, I love a bargain, you know what I mean? And here I am. This is my eyelashes before any type of getting into it, you know what I mean? It's quite you just can't really see them, innit? Love a bit of attitude, you know what I mean? Like, what's the point of having lashes if you can't screw somebody on the road, you know what I mean? It's always good to practice. I feel like the rest of the video is quite self-explanatory. I'm just gonna leave you to it, you know what I mean? My mate got me this lash kit for my birthday, so I just wanted to compare in it.
Bro, this isn't a tutorial. I'm not showing you how to do it because, bitch, I'm figuring out bit by bit. And plus, my phone's on 8%. I can't record this whole process. My phone's gonna die. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it to charge, and then I'll come back. If you want a tutorial, I just typed in Lash Lift Diablo, and it showed up in it. So, yeah, you want an expert? You're looking in the wrong place. Ran out of storage, so I don't know how far the recording went. Let me feel it now. It's a bit crunchy before, but now it's feeling a bit softer, you know what I mean? A little bit stiff, but that's okay. So this is what it's looking like. I wanna like proper video. I don't know if you see it, but I see it. How long is it?
So I feel like if you go to a proper lash set, it'll definitely be worth it getting a lash lift. But doing that whole DIY kit, don't think I'll be doing it again. Obviously, my first time. Maybe if I do it the next time, it will be better. But I just feel like doing the curler with the mascara was much better. Not even much better, just similar results and less effort. Anyways, subscribe.